Welcome to Northeast Ohio College Prep, located on the adjoining campuses in the beautiful Tremont neighborhood. We are the only tuition-free school in Cleveland that offers a continuous K-12 college preparatory education. Our students are beating the odds and achieving academic success above expectations, as noted by ODE's most recent ratings.
Hi everybody, Principal Mueller here. For those of you that don't know me, I am so excited to start off the 2021-2022 school year here. This year at NEO, my goal is for every student to grow. I know last year was difficult for all of us, and I am so excited to have everyone back in the building. Let's go Knights!
How you guys doing? Welcome to NEO, Mr. Washington. I work in the office. If you have any questions about anything, you can give me a contact. Thank you.
Hi families, my name is Ms.Marino. I'm the Director of Academics here. I can't wait to work with your scholar and their teacher to make this a wonderful school year for the 21-22 year.
My name is Dean Burkhalter. I'm one of the new deans here at the school. I'm working along with Mr. Yancey this year, Ms. Gardner, and Ms. Mueller to help the kids this year. I just want to welcome you. I'm looking forward to working with you and your children to develop them mentally and emotionally. So let's have a great year and let's go Knights.
Hi, my name is Mr. Yancey. I want to introduce myself and my job and what I'm here for at Northeast Ohio College Preparatory School. What we're here for is to navigate students to become successful. We also want to close that achievement gap. We work on the emotion and intelligence with our kids. We have a lot of things that we're doing this current year. We have a lot of parent involvement. We have an after-school program that we have implemented for the first time in many, many years. We are making sure that our students are getting the academics they need in order for their success. I am here. Any parents would like to speak with me regarding their student. It's a total investment, and I clearly believe that it takes a village to raise a child.
Hello, hello. I am Ms. Gardner. I am your family and community liaison. Welcome back to NEO. We are so excited to have you, and I cannot wait to work with you and your family to connect you with any resources you need and inform you about all of our events that we are doing this year.
Hello, I am Ms. Dawn and I am the kindergarten teacher. I have a goal for my kindergartners this year, and it is to learn to read and write.
Hi, my name is Jasmine Jones. I'm an instructional aide for NEO, and I'm here to academically and emotionally support all students.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Sarah. I teach first grade. I'm with the math, teaching them math. And this year I expect to kind of bring them back to where they should be at this point, because I know last year was really hard on everybody, so I would like to get them to where they need to be in first grade.
I'm Mrs. Ball. I'm an instructional aide here at NEO. I'm excited for all the students to be back, and I'm hoping that their goals this year are just to try their best. See you guys.
Hello, my name is Ashley Marino, or Miss Marino. I am the new first grade teacher here. It's my first year teaching. I'm going to be teaching English language arts. I'm very excited to be here and have a great year.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Schoen. I'm the second grade teacher.
Hi, I'm Arniki. I'm the instructional aide for the second grade class.
One goal I have for this year is to raise the achievement gap for all scholars.
One of my goals for this year is to motivate the kids to come to school.
Hi, I'm Ms. Bruno. I'm the third grade teacher, and my goal for this year is for all of my students to show growth and progress and ultimately pass the third grade reading guarantee. Have a great year.
Hello everyone, I am Ms. Kay. I am an instructional aide here at NEO. My job is to assist our fourth grade teacher with making sure that students are prepared for this school year so that they can learn effectively and efficiently, and we want to get them ready for middle school.
Hi, I'm Ms. Smith. I'm the title teacher here at NEO College Preparatory School. This is my Title I room. I will be teaching K through 5 Title, ELA, and Mathematics. One goal I have this year is to teach these kids in a creative and fun way to help them with any struggles they have.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Beeke. I'm the lead intervention specialist. I also work with K-5 kids here at NEO. My goal for my kids is to improve their reading skills so they can become more successful in reading class.
Hi guys, it's Mrs. B here, 5th grade teacher for NEO. This year I'm just focused on getting the kids reacclimated back in the building and just getting them to enjoy the classroom once again and just getting them to enjoy school and learning all over again.
Okay, I'm Mr. Dennis. I've been at NEO for about 4 years now. I'm very excited to be coming back to NEO, working with our students, growing our students, continuing to teach our students, and helping our students grow. So this year, what my students and my parents can expect from me is persistence, diligence, and consistency. So I'm gonna do whatever it needs to be done to get the job done. So go NEO Nice.
Good afternoon, my name is Ms. Aide. I'm the middle school intervention specialist. My goal for this school year is to encourage students to become more confident in their academic goals.
Hi, I'm Ms. Solis. I am the ELA middle school teacher here at NEO. One goal that I have is that we are a community of having fun and learning new things, better with our communication, reading, writing, speaking, and listening. I'd like to welcome you here, and I hope we have a great year.
My name is Ms. Jones. I'm a physical education teacher here at NEO Lower Campus. One goal that I have for this school year for our scholars is to not only learn different physical activities, but to also have fun. So this is a way for them to have an outlet in a learning environment still.
How's it going, guys? I'm Mr. Carson. I teach middle school social studies. As you can see from my fancy door, I graduated from Ohio University. So I'm happy to be here, happy to be part of the team, happy to get to know all your kids and all you guys as well. And one goal I have for the scholars this year is I want to help them all on their own journeys. We're going to learn more about social studies, we're going to learn more about ourselves, and I'm happy to be here, happy to help them on their own journeys. So.
Hi, my name is Ms. Lopiccolo. I teach middle school science. We're going to have a fun, engaging year for your scholars to make your scholars learners today, leaders tomorrow, and knights for life.
Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Townsend. I am the instructional aide here. My goal is to make sure that every student stays on task in the classroom. I want every student to copy every note that's on the board. I want to prepare them for higher education, and that is my goal. Thank you.
Hi, this is Ms. Aida from NEO College Prep. I'm the math teacher for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. Our goal for this year is to close the achievement gap.
Our mission is to prepare students for college preparatory high school that will ensure success and graduation from a 4-year college. Thank you for allowing us the privilege to provide education and support to your scholar.